I'm Lisa Orme. I've been teaching Let's Play Music, the Presto, for 1 year. I've been private teaching for 17 years, and what I love most about this program is the program itself. The curriculum is amazing. It teaches everything that a general musician should need in order to be a good musician. It doesn't teach just piano, just how to read music, but it teaches music theory. It teaches how to read your notes. It teaches solfege. Since I've been teaching for 17 years, when I found Let's Play Music, especially the Presto curriculum, I was blown away by the amazing curriculum that it is. There's no other method book curriculum out on the market today that can even come close to what Let's Play Music does for their teachers, for their students, and for future musicians. I love Let's Play Music. The advice I give to new teachers is to jump in. Jump in wholeheartedly, do everything that the team asks, talk to the team, ask them all of your questions. They are there for you. They are an amazing group of women, and they are there to support you. Reach out to your group that is part of the Let's Play Music program, and they are an amazing support.